Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a PaperWishes fun haul. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. I already unboxed it to save all the rattle and the noise. And yeah, let's just hop right in. So I had ordered buttons off of Amazon a while back so I could be working on my junk journals, and it just didn't show. And I've got to go back in and make a claim that it never even showed up. So, when I saw these on PaperWishes, I thought, oh my goodness, that is such an affordable price. I'm going to order them. And because you can get like color groupings or variety packs, I kind of went with the variety packs. I decided that 3 in this variety of colors. I've got your basic brights, then I've got your pastels, which I love that one the most. And then I got just black, white, and grays. The only thing I didn't get were the browns, and I may go back and order them. I don't know. We'll see. There's something funny in there. It looks like a piece of string. Anyways, so I'm super excited to play with these. I am getting some things ready to work on some junk journals. I've got 2 for the summer I've got to get done, and then we'll kind of go from there. So, love these. There's all that. Now, I also picked up, they have these little art card kits. I really didn't know what they were, so they were on special. I went ahead and ordered several, and I'm just going to open one up and let's share it, okay? So I'm going to walk through this, and you have to just hang with me. My birds they were completely it was crazy. I was trying to change their cage. I shared another video, and the cage fell apart, and it was horrible. I had birds inside. I was terrified it was going to crush. I was trying to hold it apart. It weighed too much, and then I had 2 that flew out. So anyways, it was crazy. So they're not in a great mood right now. So I have 2 of the same one. So this is what it looks like when you order it, and then it comes with this darling little insert, and it just shows you what's there and things you can make. And then you get a kind of a cut apart that is just a punch out, and I love that. So, and I love all of these different things. I didn't think there were shiny things in here, so I may use some of these for the soldiers, or I may not. But I love all of these. I think they're darling, and they would be absolutely perfect for the 25 days of Christmas, if you ever wanted to do that. And then here are the darling papers that come with it. So let's just kind of go through these. Oh, they're okay. Well, that is connected. I'm not seeing out. It's perforated, so I can disconnect them. And then I've got all these borders here, and then that gorgeous paper there. And then from here on out, let's see. Nope, they're still connected. So that is very interesting. So let's see. These are perforated, and I'm going to pull those apart and just kind of do it while I go. So there's a pretty snowflake page. And then here is things that you can cut out. So you've got journaling spots, you've got little messages, you've got banners with messages, more banners with messages, and then of course that there, and then lots and lots of messages. So very, very sweet. And then let's see, we've got another one. I'm going to tear this apart. So you've got a pretty red, kind of a dotted red, and then a chevron green, kind of a muted olive green or sage green. And then lastly, the last 2 pages are, ooh, a pretty chevron, and then kind of a brown chevron. I mean, kind of a striped, I don't know how you call that, but it's a beautiful, beautiful print. And I'm sorry, I'm still kind of sluggish today, but anyways. So there is this kit, and this is how it comes. And I think it's beautiful. That turned out beautifully. I'm super happy with that. Now, this is one I love because I love shabby chic, and this just speaks that to me. It speaks art journaling and all kinds of goodies. So the same thing, you've got a punch out, then you've got cut aparts, then you've got pages, and it's just beautiful. So, and I think all you do is you just add your white paper, whatever cardstock you want to use as your base to make cards, if you're going to make cards with it. But I think I'm going to do some journaling with this. I think that'll be fun. And then I've got this, and my husband doesn't drink coffee. It's called espresso, but it really doesn't focus on coffee. It really is just kind of a manly version of paper and cut aparts and all of that. So I look forward, and I'll put that up there so you guys can see it. That's what's inside this kit. It's just beautiful. Let me see on this last one. It does not have, oh, it does have it. It's at the bottom. My apologies. So there is this kit on the inside. And this is all by Hot Off the Press. This is cider. This made me think of fall. I'm going to pre-do my fall journaling kit, get it prepped and ready to go so I can just jump in and journal. And you guys know how much I love doing that. So here's the press outs, or the cut aparts. Oh, I think that's the cut apart. These are the punch outs, and then there are the papers that are included. They show this as almost looking like a 6x6 or 8x8, but it's clearly, it is standard papered size. So probably 8.5 by, is it 8.5 by 11? Yeah, that's what this looks like. So, hold on, let me see. I've got all these rulers. Let me see. Let's make sure before I say that. And, oh my goodness, this is a crazy ruler. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out which one is just standard. Okay, there's inches. Ah, goodness, it just, yeah, I haven't used these for that yet. So this one is, well, I'm not going to be able to use that. It's one of those rulers that has the 0 and the inches go out. And they're very small. They're hard for somebody to see like me. So let me see here. So if they go out to 6, yep, 8.5, and this is going to be by 11, I'm sure. Let me see. So 6, yeah, 8.5 by 11. So really beautiful. I think this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. Now, this one is gorgeous. I thought this one would be beautiful for winter. And, of course, I bought 2. And this one has 102 pieces. The other one had 100. I absolutely adore this. I think this is going to be so much fun to play with. You've got your punch outs, you've got your cut aparts, and then you've got all these pages. Absolutely beautiful, as well as examples. So super, super fun. And then lastly, whoops, I have 2 plus the gingerbreads that I bought for Christmas. So I love this. This is very vintagey, and the colors are fun and not your typical Christmas colors, and I just think it's going to be fun. So you have 3 punch outs, 1 cut apart, and then all these pages. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. So, and they are one-sided, but I love, look at that. Isn't that darling? That's what I'm excited to play with. It just looked very retro. So, of course, I had to buy 2 of those. So, that is it. That is my Paper Wishes haul. If you do not, I'll try to put a link below. And if you haven't been over to PaperWishes, you ought to go. They have special sales on special days. And this was all on sale because you know me. It's not going to be bought unless it's with a coupon or a discount store or whatever. And so, but I hope you guys will take an opportunity, run over there, take a look at their goodies, and see what you can make out of that. And find something, of course, it's on sale. Okay, my friends, thanks so much for being here. Welcome our new friends. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Love to hear if you've ever bought or used much of the PaperWishes papers. And if you have any of these kits, let me know too. I'd love to hear what you're doing. All right, friends, I pray most importantly that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. So happy to be here with you today. And I will be talking to y'all soon. God loves you, and so do I. Bye, y'all.